In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted records in Salesforce. If you've ever accidentally deleted something important in Salesforce, don't panic. As long as it's still within the retention period, you can usually bring it back using the recycle bin. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the app launcher icon. Depending on your setup, this is usually represented by a grid of dots or a similar symbol. Go ahead and click on that app launcher to open it. When the app launcher panel appears, you'll see a list of apps and items you can access. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type Recycle Bin. As you type, Salesforce will filter the options for you. When you see Recycle Bin in the list, click on it to open the Recycle Bin page. Now you're looking at the place where Salesforce stores recently deleted records. Think of it like the trash folder on your computer. Here, you'll see a list of items that have been deleted, such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, or other records, depending on what's been removed in your org. If you have a lot of deleted items, you can use the search or filters on this page to narrow down what you're looking for. Next, identify the records you want to restore. To select a record, click the checkbox to the left of its name. You can select just one record or multiple records at once if you need to bring back several items. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct records, especially in environments with similar names or test data. Once you've made your selections, look toward the upper right area of the Recycle Bin page for the Restore button. Click Restore. Salesforce will process your request and the page will refresh. After the refresh, you should see a small confirmation message or pop-up at the top of the screen, letting you know that the records you selected have been successfully restored. At this point, you can return to the relevant object, like accounts or contacts, and you'll find those records back in their original place, just as if they had never been deleted. And that's it. You've now restored deleted records in Salesforce using the Recycle Bin.